What are you getting done today?
I'm getting threads in the mid and lower face. I noticed a couple of years ago that everything seemed to drop a little bit, and I have 2 kids, and I'd also noticed that in my photos I looked a little different, so I'm looking to get rejuvenated and getting a little tightening as well.
So we have a younger patient of mine that's a young mom. She's starting to notice some of the face starting to sag and starting to droop. So we want collagen production, and we want to elevate her tissue. We want to build collagen and make her look more youthful and contoured. And we're going to do that today with threads. Now there's different ways you could do it, but the least amount of insertion points that we can use, the better to give her contour. And if you look at her face, because she's done amazing fillers by me, we were making her look good. She has the heart-shaped look. So you guys could see an elevation in the OG curve over here and a front projection of her chin, making that contoured look. So to keep it that way, we'll elevate this middle portion of her face, and we'll also come down to the jawline and do a little bit of elevation here and collagen production so we can have this pulled back. So we're gonna mark those areas. Our mid-face and lower face markings where we're going to get our elevation and our contouring. By using these markings, we can get a much more cut look on the lower portion of her cheek, giving her a more tight look, and then also more tightening around the mouth, where a lot of women tend to notice some early sagging and drooping. We don't want that, and overly doing fillers in this area makes people look puffy and unnatural. So by using the threads, we can get a more youthful look with more collagen production. Now we're going to make our entrance site, and we're going to use a long cannula to create a tunnel that's going to allow us to put the thread in very safely, smoothly, and securely. This isn't that painful except for a little bit of the numbing medicine, and we're only going to put a couple very small amounts, so less than 0.5, very, very little. You're doing like 0.1, 0.2. All the way down to the jowl. Perfect, so that one's done. So we're gonna use some threads here to get her some contouring. And you guys, the cool thing is she's all numb. It almost looks like there's no numbing in there because it's a very small amount. You guys could see the design of that thread having what are more like anchors than they are hooks. And that's very important because in the old days when you had a hook, it could grab the skin and it could actually move. Now we're securing this in place. That's why we said tightest hold. These will dissolve over time, over the course of 1 year, building collagen and giving us rejuvenation. So again, we're making that tunnel, a little bit longer thread. You guys can see all the way across to the marionette area and lower face. We're gonna finish it up, one more, and then we have our Miracu makeover.
Well, it actually did not hurt, and I'm swollen right now, so you can kind of tell that I'm swollen, but I'm really looking forward to the results, especially the tightening effect, and I know that in a week I'll be back to normal, and in the next few months everything will just tighten up. So this is day 6. I'm still a little tight. Actually, I am very tight in this area, which is what we want as it's healing. But I would say most of the swelling is gone. I'm taking a lot of care to not put pressure in the areas that they treated. Recovery was actually pretty easy as long as I'm not really putting pressure on it. It's good. That first day was probably the roughest, the day of the procedure, and then after that, it was fine. Hi! It's been several weeks since my PDO threads, and I'm obsessed with the results. My God, like, look at this. I remember maybe 5 years ago, I was looking at my photos, and I didn't realize, you know, life gets in the way. I had 2 kids. And I was like, oh gosh, like, you know, everything just seemed a little down. And now it's just, I mean, it's up, it's taut.
It looks natural, which is probably my #1 priority.